Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Android version and model so options line up. Once done, open Settings and tap Lock Screen or Security depending on your OEM skin. You need a secure lock method enabled before advanced changes, so set PIN, pattern, or password if not present. Make a quick backup of the existing wallpaper and any custom shortcuts to gallery or files, because tweaks can overwrite them. This initial setup prevents lost data and reveals the menus you'll use next. Next, you pick the lock screen's look. Choose a static image or live wallpaper and crop it for the lock aspect ratio. This preserves clarity and avoids stretching. Then add or remove widgets, like calendar, music controls, or quick toggles, by accessing lock screen widgets or widgets in the same menu. Grant permissions when requested so they display content. Finally, set always-on display preferences and clock style. Make sure readability is high by testing in bright and low light. Finish by tightening privacy. Choose whether notifications show content on the lock screen and hide sensitive notifications if needed, because that keeps data safe. Enable biometric unlocks like fingerprint or face and enroll fingers or faces. Test unlocking several times to confirm reliability. Once satisfied, review shortcut placements and wallpaper one more time. If the lock screen misbehaves, clear the system UI cache or restart the phone. If still broken, revoke recent widget permissions or reset lock screen settings and redo the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.